Hello, welcome to another video from the Animal University channel. Let's go for the video. Seal. Seal, any of 32 species of web-footed aquatic mammals that live chiefly in cold seas and whose body shape, round at the middle and tapered at the ends, is adapted to swift and graceful swimming. There are two types of seals, the earless, or true, seals, family Phocidae, and the eared seals, family Otariidae, which comprise the sea lions and fur seals. In addition to the presence of external ears, eared seals have longer flippers than do earless seals. Also, the fur of eared seals is more apparent, especially in sea lions. Seals are carnivores, eating mainly fish, though some also consume squid, other mollusks, and crustaceans. Unlike other seals, the leopard seal, Hydrurga leptonix, of the Antarctic feeds largely on penguins, seabirds, and other seals, in addition to fish and krill. The main predators of seals are killer whales, polar bears, leopard seals, large sharks, and human beings. Seal diversity. The Baikal seal, Phoca sibirica, of Lake Baikal in Siberia, Russia, is the smallest at 1.1 to 1.4 meters, 3.6 to 4.6 feet, long and 50 to 130 kilograms, 110 to 290 pounds, but some female fur seals weigh less. The largest is the male elephant seal, genus Mirunga leonina, of coastal California, including Baja California, Mexico, and South America, which can reach a length of 6.5 meters, 21 feet, and a weight of 3,700 kilograms, 8,150 pounds. The upper portions of seals' limbs are within the body, but the long feet and digits remain, having evolved into flippers. Seals possess a thick layer of fat, blubber, below the skin, which provides insulation, acts as a food reserve, and contributes to buoyancy. True seals of the genus Phoca are the most abundant in the northern hemisphere. They are fairly small, with little difference in size between the sexes. Ring seals, Pinnipeds, have blotches over their entire bodies. Harp seals, Pia groenlandica, have a large blotch of black on otherwise mostly silver-gray fur. Harbor seals, Pia vitulina, have a marbled coat, and ribbon seals, Pia fasciata, have dark fur with ribbons of paler fur around the neck, front limbs, and posterior part of their body. Though especially abundant in polar seas, seals are found throughout the world, with some species favoring the open ocean and others inhabiting coastal waters or spending time on islands, shores, or ice floes. The coastal species are generally sedentary, but the ocean-going species make extended, regular migrations. All are excellent swimmers and divers, especially the Weddell seal, Leptonychotes wedellii, of the Antarctic. Various species are able to reach depths of 150 to 250 meters or more and can remain underwater for 20 to 30 minutes, with the Weddell seal diving for up to 73 minutes and up to 600 meters. Seals cannot swim as fast as dolphins or whales but are more agile in the water. When swimming, a true seal uses its forelimbs to maneuver in the water, propelling its body forward with side-to-side strokes of its hind limbs. Because the hind flippers cannot be moved forward, these seals propel themselves on land by wriggling on their bellies or pulling themselves forward with their front limbs. Eared seals, on the other hand, rely mainly on a rowing motion of their front flippers for propulsion. Because they are able to turn their hind flippers forward, they can use all four limbs when moving on land. All seals must come ashore once a year to breed. Nearly all are gregarious, at least when breeding, with some assembling in enormous herds on beaches or floating ice. Most form pairs during the breeding season, but in some species, such as fur seals, the gray seal, Halicoeris grypus, and elephant seals, males, bulls, take possession of harems of cows and drive rival bulls away from their territory. Gestation periods average about 11 months, including a delayed implantation of the fertilized egg in many species. Cows are again impregnated soon after giving birth. Pups are born on the open ice or in a snow layer on the ice. The mother remains out of the water and does not feed while nursing the pups. The young gain weight rapidly, for the cow's milk is up to about 50% fat. Seals have been hunted for their meat, hides, oil, and fur. The pups of harp seals, for example, are born with white coats that are of value in the fur trade. The fur seals of the North Pacific Ocean and the ringed seals of the North Atlantic Ocean have also been hunted for their pelts. Elephant seals and monk seals were hunted for their blubber, which had various commercial uses. Seal hunting, or sealing, was so widespread and indiscriminate in the 19th century that many species might have become extinct if international regulations had not been enacted for their protection. The severe decline of sealing worldwide after World War II and the effects of international agreements aimed at conserving breeding stocks enabled several severely depleted species to replenish their numbers. When seals dive, their brain temperature falls. During a 15-minute dive, hooded seals' brain temperature dropped by 3 degrees Celsius, indicating that the brain was using less oxygen. The seals sent cold blood to their brain via their front flippers' prominent superficial veins, lowering the brain's oxygen consumption by 15 to 20%. This significantly increases a seal's diving capabilities while protecting it from hypoxic harm. Badgers, skunks, and bears are all related to seals. Evolutionary biologists have debated the origins of seals for more than a century. While scientists are confident that pinnipeds descended from land-dwelling predators, they disagree on the exact stages between terrestrial predecessors and present marine mammals. Along with the 3 subclades of Ursidae, bears, pinnipeds, musteloids, weasels, otters, badgers, and relatives and Mephididae make up the suborder Carnivora, skunks and stink badgers. A relatively complete skeleton of a novel semiaquatic carnivore was discovered in 2007 in an early Miocene lake deposit in Nunavut, Canada. It became renowned as an evolutionary link between land animals and seals. Leopard seals are among the world's top 10 most enormous seals. Female leopard seals, the bigger of the 2 sexes, can weigh up to 590 kilograms, 1,300 pounds, and reach a length of 3.5 meters, 10 feet. Their bodies are slender and long, while their heads seem almost too big for their serpentine bodies. Leopard seals can push themselves along the water at high speeds up to 18 mph because of their sleek design and abnormally large foreflippers. Only walruses and elephant seals are bigger than leopard seals in the polar ocean. The leopard seal is named from the spotted pattern on its skin that is dark on top and light on the bottom. It has a large, almost reptilian-like cranium, strong incisors, and enormous jaws that set it apart from other genuine seals. Due to these adaptations, it is an apex predator in its area and only faces regular predation from the considerably larger orca whale. Krill, squid, fish, and even some birds are among the varieties leopard seals consume. A young seal is called a pup. Pups are young seals considered pups from the time they are born until they are weaned around the age of 1 year. To survive, the newborn seal must learn to swim and catch food on its own. While learning to hunt for themselves, many baby seals lose nearly half of their body weight. The adolescent seal stage comes next. The seal will have learned to catch its prey and swim during this stage. So now, all that's left is to put on some weight to survive the cold, brutal winter. The adult seal is the last stage of their growth cycle. Seals are considered adults at the age of 6 and can live for up to 30 years, depending on whether they are male or female. Earless seals have ears. True seals are also known as earless seals, however, they have ears. What these seals lack is a pinny. The pinny is the scientific name for the visible external ear. The tiny holes at the sides of an earless seal's head can be seen when you look at them closely. But earless seals do not have external ears that can be seen from the outside. Seal internal ears resemble those of other animals. Interestingly, seals have significantly greater hearing underwater than they do on land. Their hearing is comparable to other mammals' hearing on land, though slightly less sensitive. This is due, in part, to the fact that their especially lengthy ear canals are frequently blocked by wax. Overall, compared to other animals, seals' absence of external ears does not significantly affect their ability to hear above water. The ability of seals to hear underwater is even more astounding. They are far better than animals with ear flaps at determining the direction of a sound because they lack external ears. Male seals battle for the privilege to mate. When mating season arrives, male seals make deep, throaty sounds to seek females' attention. A male seal will scream to other male seals to let them know his ladies have been claimed. When it comes to mating, males are very territorial. They'll claim the right to mate, striking and biting one another. The winner will mate with up to 50 local females. I hope you enjoyed this video enough and it was informative. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Introduce us to your friends. Good luck to you all.